Hi guys. I love pencils. What color is this? Black. Let's do it. What color is this? Wow. Okay, let's start. Red pen. What color is this? Orange. Wow. Orange pen. Okay, congratulations. Yellow. It looks great. What color is this? Green. Wow. I love drawing. Purple. Okay. Blue. Yes. Blue marker pen. Wow. Red pen. Orange pen. Yellow pen. Blue marker pen. Purple pen. Is it good? Wow. It looks great. I love paints. Wow. Okay. I love paints.